Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your taskbar transparent. All right, so it's pretty simple, and now let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. Okay, so what you have to do is to right here in the search bar, Microsoft Store, click on the first match, and now open Microsoft Store, and here in the search bar please write translucent TB. Click on the first on this app, okay, with this logo, and that's this way. Please translucent TB BB and open. Now if you open this is now your taskbar should look like this. Now it's transparent, right? Now you can click, also right click on this app. From here you can show desktop border. You can make this more clear, or you can have a couple of options. You can play with these options, pretty cool. You can enable battery saver, advanced. Here you have other settings as well, but that's overall what you have to do. I hope this short tutorial helped you and you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate that and will help this YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any suggestions for the next Windows 11 tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and take care.